What deficiency causes cold and cough?
Most colds and coughs come from viruses, not a single nutrient deficiency. But low levels of certain nutrients can raise your risk or slow recovery. Vitamin D affects immune response, and low 25-OHD increases respiratory infection risk. Zinc and vitamin C help immune function. Early zinc lozenges and vitamin C may shorten illness in some people. Iron and vitamin A matter in specific settings. Get tested, eat well, and consult a clinician before supplementing.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content.